Welcome back to Sprague Homestead. Today we're going to give you a little different content than true homesteading. I'm going to show you the makeover that Nikki mentioned previously on her Bunny Holland Suburban. So as you can see behind, the Suburban is in a wild state. Now if you guys have watched the channel, you know that Nikki is a huge fan of the Harlequin Rabbits, and the Japanese version is orange and black. So she wanted something for a convention this year, which is in October in Reno, and a couple new shows. And going forward, she said, you know what, I've always thought it would be crazy to wrap my Suburban to match a Japanese Harlequin. So we devised the plan, ordered materials, and I got it done over the last month. So let me take you through everything that I was able to do over the last month with Nikki's help and show you what it's going to look like in the end. It is crazy. I'm going to walk around the truck and I'll kind of show you everything we have done to clean up her Suburban. So if you know the Japanese Harlequin, you know the face split should be roughly halfway down the face. So if you see the hood and the roof, they alternate. We did clean up the headlights. You can see how clean they are. I've polished those up. See the bulbs in there everywhere. She did the chrome. Nikki did the polishing there on the chrome and the plastic. So if you know the Harlequin is supposed to have 5 to 7 alterations down the side. So if you notice the hood to the fender flare, to the door, quarter, there's technically 5 there. And if you think the fender flares themselves are the feet of the rabbit, it's a 3-part frontal. And if you know what I'm talking about there, between the ears and the head, face, chest, and the feet. So between the hood and everything else, you've got a black fender, an orange door, a black door, and the quarter panel is split between 2 colors. So that gives you your 5 alterations to match the rabbit. One thing Nikki also did was come up with some magnets. So she ordered these to complement her Suburban wrap. So that is all the way done, and I got to get the wheels done before she goes to convention. It's the last thing on the list, and it's starting to rain, so I'm going to hold off doing it today. So we got this all the way done. Let's see, looking at the back, everything's polished up. Now once we did the wrap, Shine Armor did send me a bottle of their Fortify Quick Coat, and I did do some testing over on the car channel for vinyl wraps, and it is a really good coating, beads up very well, and thankfully it's going to rain today, so it'll give it a good test. But she did rear bumper, cleaned up there, the plastic, the chrome, and then the alternating colors are opposite of the other side. So the hood is black, orange fender, black fender flare, door, quarter, all alternating colors. And we also did match her trim. So if you see these match the door colors, these are normally silver, and we thought, you know what? They just need to really match. It really kind of pulls it all together. So there's a final look of the bunny wagon. Now that wheel there, I did get a chance to work on a little bit, just to some testing to clean up, so you can see how much different that is. So I'm going to pull those off when she gets back from her show this weekend in Redmond. Get those cleaned up. But what a difference, huh? Pretty crazy. So with that done, that kind of wraps up the car projects for the Homestead stuff. Now the wrap here is going to last, we're figuring probably about 3 years. We're going to try and push it even further, but who knows, we may come up with something crazier in the future. But this at least was going to be unique. You're going to see it coming and be like, what is that? It is a Japanese Harlequin Rabbit, if that makes sense to you. So if you guys have any interest in any of this stuff, my car channel is full of wrap stuff. I did one Mustang, this Suburban. I've done my mother-in-law's or Nikki's mom's truck before. We did that, and I got some other stuff coming. So anyway, the Suburban, it took me approximately a month, probably about 60 hours of labor, and it cost me about $750 in material. So if you ever have any questions on what does it cost to do a wrap, this wrap alone, probably at retail value, is probably in the $3,000 range, $3,000 to $3,500, somewhere in there if you're going to pay somebody else to do it. So there you go. That's why I haven't been around lately, because I've been wrapping. So that's it from the channel today. Thanks for stopping by. Back to more homestead content. Happy homesteading. We'll see you next time.